In this video, we're going to cover how you can get help with the Environet Connect system. So from the home page, if you go down, you'll see an option for support. Go ahead and click on the support menu. From here, you'll be taken to our support section. From here, you can download the Quick Start Guide. You can download the User Guide. Environet Connect also lets a user report issues from within the system. So if we'd like to report an issue, we can click on Report Issues. This will open up a form. We can go ahead and fill out the form and then click Submit. This will submit an issue to Vertiv for review and help. You also have the option of calling your regional support group, and they will be able to assist you over the phone.